Good morning guys, welcome back to the another session for reproductive health. In the part of birth control methods, nothing but contraceptive, we had discussed the first four, that are natural methods, chemical methods, physical barriers and intrauterine devices. Mainly in the intrauterine devices I have mentioned there are ideal methods. Intrauterine devices, copper releasing as well as a barium sulfate, and also one more thing is there, that is hormonal releasing IUD. Hormonal releasing IUD is nothing but progesterone surge. LNG 20. LNG means levonorgestrone 20. It is also helps to phagocyte the sperms by thickening the cervical mucus. It restricts. Fine. So apart from the four, other things are there. In that, major one is oral contraceptives. In this class, first let me discuss about oral contraceptives. What is oral contraceptive? Oral means what? Mouth. So generally you can guess that is pills. So what are the points involved in that oral contraceptive method? Oral contraceptives are called pills. Why they are called pills? User means nothing but a woman have to consume this. She has to consume through mouth. Oral administration. Okay, injecting through mouth means oral administration of a small doses. Means they are very less in quantity in mgs, less than 50 mg, either progesterone or estrogen or both combinations. Here no need to confuse. In that pill, progesterone will be there or estrogen will be there or both will be there. So pills are two types: combinational, non-combinational. Some pills are made up of only progesterone, or some pills are made up of only estrogen, or some pills are made up of both progesterone and estrogen. In the market, pills are available in the brand of Mala D. The pill name is Mala D. Mala is a woman who is a prostitute in the Mumbai. She is the brand ambassador for these pills. Now, pills have to be taken daily. Till now we see so many methods from the natural to IUD. They have some period of time. Some are depends upon the timing. Some are depends upon the what's called spermicides and all. But how a user have to obtain these pills and in which modes these pills can prevent the pregnancy, now we are discussing. Pills have to take almost daily. But few exceptions are there. On that questions will be raised. Listen carefully. So pills have to be taken daily for a period of 21 days. In a month, 21 days. This means suppose normal menstrual cycle days, average menstrual cycle days is 28. In that 28 days, 21 days continuously daily one pill has to be used by the woman. So 28 minus 21, 7. 7 days only left. Why? Because that is a menstruation time, bleeding time. Except bleeding time, before and after, she has to use the pill every day so that she can avoid the ovulation. Let us examine the important points here. 21 days daily she has to take, starting preferably with the first 5 days of menstrual cycle. Out of 28 days, first 5 days. And after the gap of 7 days, then next continuation. So it has to be repeated in the same pattern. First 5 days and the next 7 days gap, and 5 plus 7, 30, more 15 days they have to take. So 7 is what is called a resume period. So 21 days capsule should be taken by the pills should be taken by the woman, and 7 days gap will be given, and first 5 days is preferable. So these three are very important. What 21 days include? Total duration of pills consumption. What 5 days is indicating? It is a preferable first 5 days of menstrual cycle. And what 7 days is, it depends. 7 days should be leave, means avoiding the pills oral administration. So now it inhibits ovulation and also implantation. Natural methods work on time and insemination can be done, but due to the hormonal imbalance, antagonistic nature, they are preventing some kind of contraception. means they prevent pregnancies, as well as chemicals are act as spermicides. So they, in that pattern also they help to avoid the pregnancy. Intrauterine devices, in 4 ways they are preventing the pregnancy. Number 1, sperm's motility will be reduced. Number 2, cervical mucus will be thickening. Number 3, they prevent the implantation. Okay. Number 4, unsustainability of the sperms, phagocytosis by hormonal IUDs, nothing but LNG-20. So this is the way. But what are the ways in contraception pills helps a woman? Means number 1 is ovulation. That month ovulation will not be done. So even sperms enter, as the woman is under the pills consumption, ovum will not be available. If ovum is not available, sperms cannot fertile. Means cannot participate in the fertilization. Suppose if they are skipped the timing, fertilization taken place, then because of this pills consumption, implantation also will be disturbed. Why? Because they, see here, it also alter the quality of cervical mucus. Implantation takes place in uterus. Cervical mucus means what? What is cervical mucus? Generally after vagina, cervical will be there. So quality of cervical mucus disturbs, then sperms cannot reach. And implantation takes place in the endometrium. Endometrium wall quality also will be reduced because of progesterone cannot be developed. Progesterone is called pregnancy hormone. These pills inhibits the levels of progesterone. That's why implantation is also fails. So oral pills every day they take, then you might have a doubt that, sir, are any side effects will be there? Yes, obviously. Not a single day of a month, 21 days of a month, a woman should consume every day a pill. So definitely some kind of overheat of the body, and some kind of what called kidney stones formation in the kidney, and stones formation in the bladder, impurities formation in the blood infection. So many side effects will be there. That's why they are not ideal. Even though women is preferable, out of all the 9 or 10 contraceptives, pills are so comfortable because they are oral administration. Majorly in India, average Indian married women consuming contraceptives that are pills. So that Central Research Drug Institute, that is CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute, which is located in the Lucknow, decided as the woman is consuming this option out of all the 9 in contraception, to avoid the side effects, they have prepared one pill. That name is called Saheli. That name is called Saheli. Saheli is the drug nothing but a chemical pill. Once in a week, if they consume, means how many per month? 4 weeks will be there. So 4 capsules per month, then more result without any side effects. That's why in the pills, generally the combinations are there. Either any one is there, and also Saheli is also there. Saheli is the best pill because its usage is less. 4 pills per month or once in a week. If the woman consume, they can easily avoid the ovulation part. Without ovulation, there is no fertilization. That's why. So you have learned now oral contraception, what and exactly it helps in the woman to avoid the pregnancy. Let us see the next contraceptive method. After the oral contraception, we are now discussing the 4 at a time. They are injectable contraceptives, implants or Norplans, and emergency contraceptives. Why I have selected all these 4 at once? Means they have a relation. That's why. Injectable contraceptives, just like oral pills. Like oral pill combination. Here one should understand that in oral pills, what is chemically administrating? Either progesterone or estrogen or both. But that is orally administration. It is intravenously administration, means through injections, right? But chemical is same. That is intravenous. This is intravenously, that is orally. So like oral pill combinations, intravenously means what? Through blood vessels. Through blood vessels, it is injecting. That is why it is called injectable contraceptives. Then, what is the difference between oral administration and injectable contraceptives? Suppose if you are suffering from the fever very severely, then doctor first prefer injection. Why? Because its impact is better than the capsule, nothing but tablet. If you take a paracetamol tablet, it has to go through digestive tract, and later it has to be absorbed into the blood. Again, it will be impact. So both impact is same, but it takes lesser time, and whereas injections were faster, clear, and also stronger. Without dilution, they are directly going into the blood. Which one? Injectable contraceptives. Same. How oral contraceptives stops in preventing ovulation and implantation and reducing the cervical mucus quality, right? And the three ways injectable contraceptives will do, but the only thing is mode of consumption. Next one is implants and Norplans. Even in the implants and Norplans, progesterone and estrogen combinations will be given. So if you want some examples for the injectable contraceptives, I can provide here. NET, Anthem, injection name, and Depo-Provera. These are the injection names, combinations of the same things which are present in the pills, but they are intravenously administered. So when we discuss about the implants and Norplans, they are small matchstick-like structures. You just observe matchstick-like structures which are filled by progesterone or progesterone or estrogen. They are placed under the skin of forearm or shank, leg side, or what called, most probably they prefer to install the small devices under the skin of the limbs. So every day they use it to dissolve themselves, and in the blood they inhibit the levels of progesterone. Clear? So sometimes it will be single and sometimes it will be double or multiple. They are placed under the skin of the arms, and they secrete anti-progesterone. So they inhibits progesterone, which is called pregnancy hormone, in the blood. Generally hormones are released into the blood. As these are installed in a woman's body, as they themselves are dissolving every day and maintaining inhibiting of the progesterone by the chemicals, progesterone levels will be falling down. As progesterone is not there in the blood, endometrium cannot develop, so pregnancy cannot be carried. How long they secrete? So depends. The implants and Norplans are best contraceptives for a woman who wants to take the gap between first child and next child. Generally, after marriage, 1 or 2 years, the first baby will be parturited. Means born, first birth taken place. After first birth, very next year, if the couples have a pregnancy, then the first baby and second baby age gap will be very less, so that a lot of personal and family problems will be erased. That's why the couples need a break for first baby and second baby. For that, 2 to 3 years must gap should be present. So after first birth, first child, if the woman administered what's called implant, this is called implant. This is called implant, and this is called Norplan. Students should understand, when implant is adjustable, when Norplant is adjustable, even both are combinations is same. If a couple wants the gap between first child and second child is about 6 months or 1 year or 1.5 years, then implant is enough. So implant, no need to remove that. It will be dissolved itself within 6 months or 1 year, because it was loaded by the combinations of estrogen and progesterone cells. Clear? Whereas they want the gap between child to child, first child to second child, about the 5 years, then Norplans. So Norplans works longer than implants. But here the drawback is once they installed, they cannot be removed. Means they are not user friendly. 100% they inhibits the pregnancy. They never encourage the pregnancy conditions because they inhibits the progesterone. But once installed, it cannot be uninstalled. There is no side effects. But after 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, if suddenly the couples need the pregnancy, then they cannot remove. And suppose a couples installed that about a 5 years gap, couples again they changed their idea after 3 years they want next baby, they cannot because 5 years it will be worked. What I am telling you is they are unable to uninstall, so that fixed duration will be continued by them. That is what implants and non-implants. And another one is emergency contraceptives. What are emergency contraceptives? Suppose by any of the methods which we have discussed, couples are following. Some example, natural methods are following. They thought that pregnancy will be avoided by some of the method, maybe a lactational amenorrhea, rhythm method, periodic abstinence, or withdrawal method. But after a couple of days after the coitus, they realized, woman is realized, or both couples are realized that she is going to be pregnant. Within 72 hours after coitus, remember. Within 72 hours after intercourse. Intercourse means what? Coitus. Mifepristone is a tablet. Mifepristone is a tablet. Should be taken within 72 hours. Then what will happen? How it will work? Suppose today between a couple intercourse has happened. Tomorrow morning they realized that she is going to be pregnant. Why? Because natural method or any method which they followed was failed. So if they choose mifepristone tablet within 72 hours means tomorrow, day after tomorrow. 2 days means 48 hours. 3 days means 72 hours. So this mifepristone will go and destroy the morula and morula next level stages. Why? Because 72 hours before morula will be there, zygote, so many cleavages takes place and morula will be developed. If implantation takes place 5th day or 7th day, then mifepristone cannot work. That's why it is called unwanted 72. This tablet is named also called unwanted 72. Unwanted pregnancies within 72 hours it can easily remove. So it is post-coitus contraceptive technique or method. These are the 9 contraceptive methods we discussed. Let me list out once again. Number 1, natural methods. Number 2, chemical barriers. Number 3, physical barriers. Number 4, intrauterine devices. Number 5, oral administration, nothing but pills. Number 6, injectable contraceptives, nothing but injections. Number 7, implants. Number 8, norplants. Number 9, emergency contraceptives. Out of all, the ideal contraceptives are intrauterine devices. When people permanently decided they don't want the child, then the permanent contraceptive methods were there. What they are called? They are called surgical methods or permanent contraceptive methods. In male and female, both they are possible. About them, we will discuss in the next video. I hope you understand all these 9 contraceptive techniques and attend assignment with all the 9. Not only today discussion from the natural methods to till emergency contraceptives, you will have to write an assignment with the 10 to 15 questions. All the best. Thank you.